Blois, and welcome to Blois Family Farm. Here's my family, Shelley,
Cow.
Lily, and Allie.
Cow.
When Lily was born, she wasn't allowed to have any sort of dairy whatsoever. So to give her treats, I decided to come up with a non-dairy frozen treat. And while I was developing that for her, I thought other kids and other people that couldn't have cow's milk or any kind of dairy would enjoy what she could enjoy. So we started making it and selling it at the farmer's market. We don't put any sugar or any type of dairy in our products. We have 3 different ones. We do a Get Your Goat, and we also have a fruit sorbets, and we either use maple syrup or honey in our product. And for the people that can enjoy cow's milk, we also make a delicious dairy product, which is a frozen dairy treat called Moo. And with that, I make my own vanilla extract, and we just use real ingredients. You're not going to find anything artificial in our products. Can you say Okan?
Okan.
Yeah.
I choose to be a dairy farmer because I enjoy the varied tasks and the variety and everything that we need to do on a dairy farm. And it's financially challenging, it's physically difficult work, and it's a job that you have to be at every day.